Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel GUVI. Are you working on the same code with your team but from different places? Sounds simple until version conflicts, missed updates, and overlapping tasks start showing up, isn't it? It's not always clear who's doing what, and without the right tools, it can get very messy very fast. But it doesn't have to be like that. Whether you are in a small startup or a big dev team, here are 3 tools that will help remote dev teams collaborate on code without stepping on each other's toes. Before getting into the video, make sure that you're subscribing to our channel. The first tool is GitHub plus GitHub Projects. Let's start with the one everyone knows, GitHub. Most teams use it for pushing and merging code, but GitHub Projects, that's where the real coordination happens, like adding sticky notes and a whiteboard to your repo. You can assign tasks, track progress with columns like to do, in progress, and done. And most importantly, you don't have to keep asking, are you working on this file? Why did you edit that file? Less back and forth and more clarity with this tool. The second one is Visual Studio Live Share. Say you're stuck on something. You could share your screen, record a video, or type out a long message to explain, or just open live share in VS Code. With one link, your teammate can join your coding session, see your cursor, make changes, and debug with you live. They can scroll, edit, and even debug with you without cloning your repo or setting anything up. It's the next best thing to sitting next to each other. The third and final magic tool is Tuple. Tuple is made for pair programming. Super lightweight, does not slow your laptop down, and built for devs. You and your teammate can talk, code, and even type at the same time without fighting over control. It also shows both your cursors so you know exactly what the other person is doing. If your workflow needs a lot of back and forth or real-time fixing, Tuple makes that process feel smooth and fast, even when you are continents apart. Remote dev doesn't have to feel scattered when your tools actually support teamwork. Your team can move fast, stay in sync, and write better codes without back and forth confusion with these right tools. Is your team still emailing zip files and sending them this video? Don't you forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.